What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, the title of the video, you already pretty much know what we're gonna do. We have another car that we're gonna restore, and then yeah, which pretty much it's a 2009 G37S. It was in the front end collision. Pretty much the front. I think this is pretty much like, how you call these? The radiator support towers got knocked out of the way. The main shock towers, they're still straight, but the one that took the hit, it was pretty much the core support frame. You can say that. I think that's part of what it is. What else? Yeah, so pretty much I'm gonna do a full video, a full restoration, or well, you didn't say restoration, but a full rebuild on this 2009 G37S. The interior on the car, it's really nice. It's pretty much, they got no rips, no tears on the interior. It's pretty much in good condition. I do have some parts that came when I bought the car, and then a good thing, the airbags didn't deploy on the car, so that's one of the biggest perks that I got when buying this car. Obviously, the steering wheel is not stereo bag, it didn't pop, or the dash one, so that's a big plus. But yeah, so the parts that we need for this build pretty much gonna be obviously both fenders, hood, headlights, radiator support, gonna be obviously condenser and radiator together, because you know there's both of them are on. We might have to fish, well, not fish, but I'm saying like might have to get some AC lines. Hopefully we don't have to, but we are, yeah, because these are busted, but these go to the disconnections right here, so we could just unplug these and then, you know, get those. We'll need both air boxes, or probably buy an upgrade to some intakes, you know, since I have here. It did have, when it got hit on the pretty much when it got hit, it did broke the, like, what do you call this, like the radiator cap, where you go pretty much to the radiator cap. Oh yeah, we will need another upper radiator hose, a lower radiator hose too, because I don't know if you can tell, but this one has got nicked right here. What else? Did I say fans? Yeah, we are gonna need fans. We might need hood latches too. Hood latches. The cable might be solderable or savable. I don't know how to say it right. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but yeah, we might be able to save it. But I'll check that out later down the road. Yeah, but it got pretty hit pretty hard on here. Oh yeah, we also, the wheel they got hit too. It has a major crack on the wheel. So yeah, so we're gonna I'm gonna try to see if I can fix this, which I don't think so, because this it might be cast iron, so, or cast aluminum, one of the two. Yeah, because this one, it's only one of them is damaged, and then actually with this one's kind of damaged too. Right here, it do have like a major like hit. I feel like they swapped the wheels from this side. These two were in the front, and then the two good ones were in the back. That's why you see that one good and this one not. So and then that's why you probably see all the scuffs here in this one. So we might have to fix this one and that one. I just gotta find out how much it's gonna be, and if it's not that expensive, we can fix these. But if it's too expensive, we will replace them and probably put a set of wheels and tires on this car, depending on how it goes. But the biggest problem we will find is putting this frame and then removing this whole frame section, so we can put the new frame section on. I will try to do most of the work, which is like to the frame stuff. I'm gonna try to pull the frames and obviously remove the rivets, and after that put the new piece under, so then like that everything's put back together how it's supposed to. But we are going to pull the frame, so make sure all the struts are good and stuff. What else do I need for this front end? Yeah, that's pretty much all the stuff and components that I might need for this. Oh yeah, I also would need the, what do you say, the power steering reservoir. I will need that, because obviously you got, you can tell, here's the bracket, and there's where you got freaking crushed really bad. Oh yeah, and there's we got like connectors here that it needs, like this connector for the VVT stuff. This one, I think it got nicked too. Yeah, it got broken too. I'm gonna have to chop those cables and then restart the new ones there, new connections. And I think, oh yeah, this one's too. This one too. It's pretty much damaged. So go ahead, buy a new connector pretty much and buy it, and, solder it and put it in there. Yeah, pretty much gonna take this cover off, and then I'm gonna pretty much right now what I'm gonna do, take most of the parts that I'm not gonna use, like, well, the stuff that pretty much are trash now, which is the hood, fenders, and then try to remove the radiator. And yeah, try to remove the radiator. Well, I'm just gonna chop these lines here since they're already damaged. There ain't no point in trying to save them since they're pretty much trash. I might be able to save this bottom one though, or the one that goes all the way down here, because it's not nicked or broken like right here. You know what? I'm not even going. I'm gonna try to see if we could weld this on, because I know people weld these lines. I'm gonna try to see if we can save it. If not, oh well, we're gonna go ahead and replace it. But I am gonna disconnect it there, pull it out. After that, pull the whole radiator fans out, and then try to get the core support that is sandwiched between the frame pretty much try to clean as much out of it so it could be pretty much presentable, or see how much more damage is in the car pretty much. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna try to put you set you up so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm gonna put you in a quick time lapse so you can see what I'm gonna be doing. And then I'm gonna stop here and there to explain what I'm doing and what I have done. And yeah, hopefully you like the video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll try to put more content out there. Just haven't got the motivation to keep putting more content, but I got this project now, so that this pretty much bringing me back to the YouTube and getting everything pretty much put more content to YouTube, because I kind of do like doing this type of videos, like rebuilding cars, and I will most likely buy more cars like this that I can save. And yeah, so hopefully you like the video. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe, give me a comment, any other car you want me to see rebuilding. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put you in the time lapse. Yeah, so I was thinking to start taking the stuff apart, but I'm gonna save that for another video. So pretty much this will be just part one to assess all the damages on the car. But yeah, but I did remove some of the parts out the way, which is the fans that were all pretty much damaged. And then yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and write down. I'm probably gonna put y'all up there somewhere so you'll be able to see what we need. So we do need radiator, obviously core support. I pretty much already said most of the stuff that we need right here. But also let's see any other damage that it got on the car, which could be obviously the fenders. This door do not open. Do for it that the fender is on the way to open the door. We do have this A-pillar that is damaged, but I do have one here that I have for another build. So I have this one, so I'm just gonna have to repaint this one. I'm gonna do a video too of painting this and then actually put it on here, but this one will be removed, and then this one will be the replacement for it, which is right here, this whole A-pillar. The interior of the car, it is really clean. The airbags did not deploy in the car. That's a big plus. And also the steering wheel did in the plus. It got the paddle shifters in there, got the digital center screen. The seats are really in good condition. I have other stuff in here you can't see, but the rear seats are in good condition as well. The rear of the body, it's good. I don't know if I mentioned in the video, but the wheel is cracked, so we are gonna need a wheel, or we might just go ahead and fix this. The two wheels, which is on this side. What else do we need? I do already have some of the parts here, but I'm gonna save that for the next video. Yeah, I'm gonna save that for the next video. I do have this part that broke here. It's pretty much ready to go, so I already have it here. So yeah, so it's pretty much sits like this, boom, right here in this part. I already have this part, one of the major components that I need for this car. It starts like this, but I don't want to run it like this for a long time. I will need to get these sensors too, because obviously the connector broke, so we will need to get those. Some of the harnesses too. What else? Yeah, we will need new hood latches, because they're totally bad due to the frame stuff. What else? What else we're gonna need? Yeah, pretty much all the front core support stuff I already have there. I already got the radiator, core support, fans. We will need upper and lower hoses. we'll probably have the radiator that I did buy. It has this lower transmission line nipple broke off, like it broke. So pretty much I'm gonna have to take this radiator with somebody that do aluminum welding, and then cut this off, put it on the other one, and yeah. So hopefully that be fixed for that radiator. I can still save that radiator. What else? I would need to get these lines for the AC stuff. I would need to get those. What else do I need to get for this car? Obviously intakes too. So I'm gonna go ahead put you up top of there. Or you know what, matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the screen right now. Like probably in this section right here. All the stuff that the car will need so it could run, or at least actually so the body could be good. The motor do run, transmission moves. I just need to get all this stuff, which is the cooling system for the engine good. So then like that, we're able to drive it, or at least move it out of here. And then yeah, after that, so once we get the radiator, all the cooling stuff good, we'll be able to move the car and move to the frame machine, so we can go ahead and pull these hits and then replace those with the new frame that we're going to be installing. So yeah, so hopefully you do like this video. It's probably gonna be a short video, but it's pretty much assessing the damages on the car for this video. Next video will be me actually putting hands on the car and removing it. I was gonna put hands on the car right now, but I choose not to. Save it for another video. So hopefully you do come back to the channel. And yeah, so this is pretty much the rebuild for the G37S. So yeah, what else? There's pretty much it. It do have stock exhaust. There's no modification in the exhaust. Do have the stock wheels, sport wheels. I'm thinking actually painting those a different color, making them look good for the body. I might have to get a wing in the back. I'm still thinking about that. And obviously we're gonna remove all these stickers, put some tint on the car, make it look good. And yeah, so hopefully you did like the video. Go ahead, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, what other stuff you're trying to see. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.